Howdy, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking the backup camera, the factory backup camera out of the Ram tailgate and putting it onto the tire gate. There's a little bracket there, you can see it right there, for the Ram backup camera. This was all how I purchased it, so we're gonna see how this works. But first step you're gonna wanna do is take apart the back of your tailgate. This has a little bed cover on it. All it's gonna be are these bolts right here, and it is a T30 Torx bit is what's gonna remove them. Alrighty, so that guy's gonna come off, and now this plate should pop right off. I'm gonna take and wipe it off for just a second. Alright, now that plate is off. To be fair, this is the very first time I've ever done this, so we're learning as we go. Alright, so the backup camera is held in by two bolts up here on the latch mechanism, and it's got some wiring going down in through here, which looks like if we disconnect it, we ought to be able to just run it straight out of here with the factory wiring harness. First try. It is going to be a T20. Getting in there is a little tight. I've got my little mini ratchet with the T20 on there. See if we can get that off there. Alright, so it doesn't appear to be pretty tight in there. I think I can just take it off with my hand. All right, I'll show you what this looks like inside of here. All right, so inside here you can see the backup camera is just right here. There's where those two bolts were, and it just lifts right on out of there. There's the backup camera. All right, once you've got the backup camera out right here, there's just a couple. There is gonna be your connector right there for the tailgate latch. Take and pull that guy out. Once that guy's pulled out, you got a couple of clips right here that you're gonna have to pop. A little trim tool. There it is down there. And pop that guy out with the trim tool. Try to be as careful as possible. It's real tight in there. Not a lot of wiggle space to try to get that out. So that camera don't get scratched up, I'm gonna put a little bit of tape around it. All right, camera, pull him out. Now we can hopefully get that thing disconnected. I wonder, that might work. Not the same pin. Not the same pin at all. Alright, so we're gonna keep trying to fight this guy. Got one. Got it. And I only mangled it up a little bit. And we've got another pin down here. on the bottom of the tailgate, you got another one of these little guys. Pop him off. Pop him off. Alrighty. Now we're just gonna run that down through there. Alrighty, the wiring harness out. Click that guy back in. Let's see if this works. Now, okay, I've recruited help, my lovely wife,
hello.
To help me finish videoing this. So we've got this big long piece. However, there's like a foot of connectivity here that I need. So we're gonna see what happens. I would have liked to have just gone straight from this piece into here. However, those don't match. So we're gonna figure out what we do with this.
Look at that.
Is it gonna fit?
I mean,
Just barely?
you
Alright.
shove.
What? I don't want to shove too much. Okay, I wonder if he had it mounted
Yeah, that looks right.
on the other side. I guess we can.
Oh, you're gonna scratch it. There.
Okay, so that's through, right?
Yep.
Alright. Now we can find some bolts, some long guys that hopefully put it through there. But let's see if this works. I should really clean the truck out before I work on it, because I got stuff in my eye. Nice! Backup camera. The park sense is going crazy because there's stuff all back there, but nice. Okay. The lines definitely are a little off, but I can see, which is awesome. We have a backup camera. Now the view is not as good as it was, you know, in its right spot, but this will work, so I'm excited for it. All right, so the verdict is I am not good. Okay, so what you're gonna do, I've got these little 4mm bolts in that's going through the back there. The top one is in. I had to do a little finagling, if you will, to get this in. So little needle nose pliers and a good grip, and we'll get the washer on. Looky there. It's real tight. It is real tight. It would be a lot easier to do this if you had the camera attached before you started the installation of the Tiregate, but alas, here we are. So we're gonna just kind of hold that nut right there, and we've started the thread. Okay, sweet. And we're just gonna take and keep on holding him, and we're gonna drop it a couple times. Alrighty, we have made contact. I think that nut is on. So I'm just gonna take with my fingers here. Hold it. I'm not good with my left hand. All right. Just tighten that right on up. Cool. That is in there and not moving. All right, we got a mounted backup camera, boys and girls. Thanks for watching all this. I have a video linked to where we install the tire gates. It'll be down below. If you like the stuff I do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.